Today we're going to read Pizza Counting. What kind of toppings do you like on your pizza? On mine, I like artichokes, spinach, mushrooms, sometimes some corn, and basil. Do you like any of those too? What do you like? Do you like bell peppers? Do you like pineapple on your pizza? How about tomatoes? Do you like tomato sauce or do you prefer a different sauce? What kind of crust do you like? Now, when you have pizza at home, how many slices is that pizza cut into? Are there 2 slices of pizza? Are there 8 slices? Are there 64 pieces of pizza? No, 64 is a little bit much. Probably 8 to 12, right. Good job. Today we're going to read this book, Pizza Counting. Let's go.
Pizza Counting by Christina Dobson, illustrated by Matthew Holmes. If you think pizza is delicious, say delicioso. That's how people say delicious in Italy, where the first pizza was made. This is a plain cheese pizza. It has 0 pieces on top. It has only crust, cheese, and tomato sauce. The first pizza had no sauce because there were no tomatoes. Explorers brought the first tomato seeds from America to Europe in the 1500s. For the next 200 years, most people thought tomatoes were poisonous. Let's face it, a tasty pizza will put a smile on the face of any hungry kid. A plain pizza is like a blank piece of paper, a great place to create a picture. The picture on this pizza is made from 1 mushroom, 2 olives, 3 strips of green bell pepper, and 4 slices of tomato. What does that add up to? 1 mushroom plus 2 olives is 3 toppings. 2 olives plus 3 pepper equals 5 toppings. 3 pepper plus 4 tomato is 7 toppings. And now what's 1 mushroom plus 3 peppers? How many toppings is that? 4, right. So how many topping pieces are on this pizza? If we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 10, great job. You could celebrate the 4th of July with this patriotic pizza. Its flag design is made of 5 eggplant stars, 6 red onion stripes, 7 cheese stripes, and 8 red pepper slices. Pizza has become as American as apple pie. There are more than 60,000 pizza restaurants in the United States. Once upon a time, people decided that pizza was the perfect snack food. It was tasty, quick meal, especially if it's a clock pizza with 9 green pepper slices, 10 tiny meatballs, 11 red onion strips, and 12 salami slices. It takes only 10 minutes to bake a pizza in a very hot oven of about 550 degrees Fahrenheit. In Italy, the bakers sometimes use red-hot volcanic rocks to heat their pizza ovens. When a surprise is discovered too soon, we say the cat is out of the bag. This cat is out of a box, a pizza box. Would it surprise you to discover a cat pizza with 13 onion strips, 14 chive pieces, 15 pepperoni slices, and 16 basil leaves? Some pizzas make the perfect dessert. They have jam instead of tomato sauce and pieces of fruit on top. Have you ever had a dessert pizza? People all over the world eat pizza. In some places, people like tuna, coconut, bean sprouts, or pickled ginger on their pizzas. Would you like this Planet Earth pizza with 17 strips of green bell pepper, 18 chive pieces, 19 pepperoni slices, and 20 onion strips? The largest pizza ever made was 140 feet across. Do you like any uncommon toppings on your pizza? What are they? Do you like pineapple on your pizza? I like to put corn on my pizza. This pizza has 100 pieces on top. Is that 20 pieces each of 5 different kinds? It could be, because 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 100. Or we could simplify that and say 20 times 5 is 100. But maybe it's 10 pieces each of 10 different kinds. 10 by 10 is also 100. Or is it 25 pieces each of 4 different kinds? 25 times 4 is 100. Any way you look at it, it adds up to a total of 100 pieces on top of this super giganto mega pizza. If you were throwing a pizza party for a giant, you might make 10 of these super giganto mega pizzas with 100 pieces on top of each. How many total pieces would that be? So we have 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 500. And then we're doubling that with another 5 pizzas with 100 toppings. That means 1,000 pieces are on top of all these pizzas. If you had a really big party, you might need 100 pizzas with 100 pieces on each. How many pieces would you need in total? So if there's 100 pieces on each of these 100 pizzas, we would have 10,000 toppings. It would take more than 131 million 12-inch pizzas to circle the Earth at the equator. 131 million. That's a lot of pizza, but we eat even more than 131 million pizzas each year in the US. You would need more than 1,260,000,000 12-inch pizzas placed crust to crust to build a pizza path to the moon. 1,260,000,000. Would you walk a pizza path to the moon? People in the US eat more than enough pizza to reach the moon. All of us together eat over 2,375,000,000 pizzas each year. All this talk about pizza could make you hungry. If you could cut a pizza in half so it has 2 equal parts, if you have a whale of an appetite, you might eat half a pizza. Anchovy pizzas are the least popular with people, but whales might like them. A whale can eat a ton of anchovies a day. That's 2,000 pounds, which is enough to make about 16,000 anchovy pizzas. A pizza that is cut into 3 equal slices is divided into thirds. The Triceratops has 3 horns on its head, and this Triceratops pizza has 3 pieces. Perhaps the Triceratops became extinct because it didn't eat healthy foods. A pizza that is cut into 4 equal slices is divided into fourths. You'd be really lucky to find this 4-leaf clover pizza for dinner. For a green pizza sauce, some people like pesto, which is usually made of basil leaves, olive oil, grated cheese, pine nuts, and garlic. A pizza that is cut into 5 equal slices is divided into fifths. Would you buy this nickel pizza for 5 cents? Pizza used to cost a nickel a slice, but now it costs 30 times as much. Even at today's prices, pizza is a good value. A pizza that is cut into 6 equal slices is divided into sixths. To share this target pizza with 2 friends, you could aim for 2 pieces each. Pizza chefs need good aim. Some pizza makers flip the dough up into the air. As it spins, the dough stretches out from the center into a thin circle. A pizza that is cut into 8 equal slices is divided into eighths. If you eat with 4/8 of this flour pizza, you will still have 1/2 left. Pizza crust is made of yeast, salt, water, and flour, not the This train pizza is divided into tenths. If you ate 2 slices each day, it would last for 5 days. If you're really hungry, you could eat 5 slices for 2 days. Choo-choo! The first pizza delivery was to a queen. When Queen Margherita of Savoy visited Naples, she ordered the baker to bring her pizza. Today, you can order pizza on the telephone or over the internet. This calendar pizza is divided into 12ths. The year is divided into 12 months. If you eat 3 pieces, you could eat an entire summer, winter, fall, or spring. October is National Pizza Month, but any day of the year is a good day to celebrate with pizza. Now think about being really hungry for pizza. Which size slice would you rather have? 1/3 or 1/4? 1/6 or 1/8? 2/3 or 2/6? 3/12 or 1/4? Well, at each one of these options, one of the pizzas is bigger than the other, except for this last one, because 3/12 and 1/4 are the same amounts. Let's look at some pizza fractions. We could cut the pizza in halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, eighths, tenths, 12ths, or not cut it at all and have the whole pizza. The end.
In the book we just read, we saw lots of pictures of pizzas, right? Well, if you're looking at a plain cheese pizza, what food groups does that make up? We have the cheese. What food group is the cheese part of? No, not protein. It does have some protein, but it actually makes up the dairy food group. And then tomato is a fruit. So we have the fruits there. And then our crust is made up of flour, water, and a little pinch of salt and some yeast. Right, that makes up the whole grains food groups. Nice job.